Okay, with the plexiglass off, because let's face it, cleaning it didn't do much good, still couldn't see. We need to get in here. Now, one of the exciting things is, of course, this machine is filthy. It's just filthy. I sprayed a little bit of mean green and did part of the thing, and you can already see the difference between this old dingy stuff and how it starts to lighten up over here with just one or two wipes. And you can see that's one wipe of the playfield, what I just took off. This playfield is dirty. But this means that this should come up, you know, this should come up pretty. Look at that. Ugh, that's bad. So just a little minor wipe, and you can see we're picking up some crap. Look down here. Look at just. What's nice is there's not a whole lot of wear. I see some chipped plastic there. Chipped plastic there. I think it's chipped over here too. Some minor damage. Maybe these slingshot plastics are pretty easy to get. I've read up enough to know these are not the prototype ones, but since this is a European model, it's probably one of the later production models, so it's unlikely that I'm going to open this back box up and see red circuit boards or anything like that. Be nice. I've never run across a prototype. I'm not really near the manufacturer's location, so I think that kind of stuff is not likely to appear in this neck of the woods. So the ramps don't look too bad. Like, it's pretty filthy all up in there. This will all have to be cleaned. I don't know enough to know what I'm looking for to see if there's anything missing. There's definitely something weird with this plastic. It just definitely doesn't look right. What is this over it? Something painted? I don't know. Is this standard? I'll have to look. And of course around the pop bumpers it's really filthy. I'm not seeing anything odd or unusual that I can identify. Of course, by the time this video becomes public, I'll know everything about this machine. And I'll look back on this and go, oh look, you didn't see that. So some kind of a kick out hole there. Really dirty rubber. Something here. And there we have it for the playfield. I always like to look down in here too. This can tell you how often drinks have spilled. If you see a lot of water damage along here, see there's some water, some corrosion from some water. It's inevitable. The same thing with the inside of the coin door. Anytime these machines, if anybody ever tells you, you know, this thing's been in a home only, you can kind of look and see if you see damage and corrosion underneath the lock bar. Or you look on the inside of the coin door and you look to see if there's if you see any obvious water damage from water dripping down in here. And it looks pretty clean. You know, I don't see a lot of. I think this machine was pretty well maintained. So that's good.